everyone, Mr. B here. Welcome to my second vlog on learning the basics of sign language. If you have missed the first lesson on fingerspelling, you can find the link in the description below, or you can find it in the list of my videos with the title Lesson 1 Introduction to ASL and Fingerspelling / ASL ABCs. In today's lesson, we will learn 25 signs for family and people. I will also give you the memory aid for each sign so it's easy for you to remember. Let's begin with the title, Family. The two F hands describe the circle of a family. Next, people. The P hand suggests the word and the action suggests people milling around. People. Let's have the first word, father or dad. This indicates the head male of the family unit. Here, father or dad. Number 2, mother, mom, or mama. This indicates the head female of the family. So here, mother. Number 3, grandfather. The combination of the sign for father and the double hand movement of both signs suggests the reference to someone of the older generation. Grandfather. Grandfather. Number 4, grandmother. This is the counterpart for grandfather. The combination of the signs for mother and the double hand movement of both signs suggests the reference to someone of the older generation. Grandmother. Grandmother. Number 5, son. This indicates a male baby cradled in the arms. Son. Son. Number 6, daughter. Indicates a female baby cradled in the arms. Daughter. Number 7, brother. The two signs combined suggest a male of the same family. Brother. Number 8, sister. The two signs combined suggest a female of the same family. Sister. Sister. Next, husband. Indicates a married male. Ten, wife. Indicates a married female. Wife. Uncle. The initial U is placed near the male sign position. Uncle. Uncle. Next, aunt. The initial A is placed near the female sign position. Aunt. Aunt. 13, nephew. The initial N is placed near the male sign position. Nephew. Nephew. 14, niece. The initial N is placed near the female sign position. Niece. Niece. 15, parents. The initial P indicates the word and the two locations refer to the basic male and female positions. So P, parents. Parents. 16, cousin. The initial C is placed wherever appropriate. So here, cousin. Applicable for both male and female. 17, in-law. This is the sign for law. In-law. 18, man. This sign is a combination of father and fine. Father, fine. Father, fine. So this is man. 19, woman. This sign is a combination of mother and fine. So this is mother plus fine, that is woman. Next is gentleman, old-fashioned tipping of hat. So, gentleman. 21, lady, indicates lady's dress or blouse with frilly ruffles. Lady. Next, boy or male. This is old-fashioned tipping of caps by men, especially when greeting women. 23, girl or maiden or female. The thumb follows the location of the old-fashioned bonnet string. Here. 24, child or children. Children are shorter than adults, so this is neutral both for boys and girls. So if you do this, this is child, but when you do this repeatedly, children. And last, baby or infant. This is a natural movement of comforting a baby in the arms. And there you have the 25 signs for family and people. I know that there are more signs in this category, but you can start with these 25 signs that we had today. Again, no need to rush. You can always go back and watch the video in order for you to recall all the signs. Before I end this video, it's time for a short quiz called Name the Sign. I have 10 signs for you to guess. Are you ready? Let's have the first sign. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. And number 10. Feel free to put your answers on the comment section below, and don't forget to practice at home and enjoy signing. And there you have it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below for any question. See you on our next basic sign language tutorial. This is Mr. B saying bye everyone.